Check out this Chevrolet 2019 Tahoe LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Chevrolet infotainment, AM/FM stereo with seek and scan and digital clock, includes Bluetooth streaming audio for music and select phones, voice-activated technology for radio and phone, and shop with the ability to browse, select and install apps to your vehicle. You can customize your content with audio, weather and more, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, 5 USB ports and 1 auxiliary jack, tires P265/65R18 all-season black wall, STD, rear axle 3.08 ratio, seats front bucket with leather appointed seating, heated seat cushions and